Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's pre-market. Triple Q, Amazon, Nvidia and Tesla all gapping down. Right now, we have an uptrend, but I don't think that uptrend is going to hold. So going into market open, I'm bearish. My primary watch for today would be Nvidia and Tesla. We do have around 20 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching Nvidia and Tesla. $204. Got it. Not going to panic. Got in a bit early because of this upper wick. Did not want to wait. $196 I added. $219. Out of 4 contracts. Now you take out another 2. Exiting. 207. Out of that whole position, making $110. So happy with how I traded it. I'll try to repeat it. $205, I'm in. No reason to panic. Still below the EMA. Getting out. $215. And the $40 added. That was a perfect trade. Placed off the EMA. Now it's going again. Today I stepped up a little bit, went with a starting position of 4 contracts. Nvidia was gapping down huge and my thought process was any moves to the upside would have to eventually come down. So I took the risk and went in with more than usual size. I do have some other stuff that I need to take care of, so I will wrap it up for today. Overall, a decent day of trading, making close to around $150 in 30 minutes of trading. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basis and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.